So, guys, take your time. Let me explain things for you guys to understand. Maybe you will be wondering why you are seeing a video like a bush video. Please take your time. I will explain everything for you to understand. When you pass through yoga meditation, this process is going to help your chakra to be activated. When you say the chakra, it's one of the energy centers in the human body or in your inner spirit. So you have to go through yoga meditation. So we are going to take a video on how to go through the yoga meditation. So we are searching for a quiet place. That's why you are seeing this video like in a bush or something like that. Yeah, you need to find a quiet place. So for us doing this video in a house, there is so much noise. This video is for educational purposes. Please, I will explain for anything for you guys to understand. So take your time with me. I will explain everything for you to understand. So the yoga meditation, you have to find a very quiet place so that nothing will distract you. If something distracts you, you have to restart again. So for that matter, we search for a very quiet place like a bush so that we can do the yoga meditation over there. So when we say yoga meditation, it's a practice whereby you train your mind. The yoga meditation, you are training your mind to achieve something, or maybe so that your mind can focus or to help to prepare your inner spirit for realization and also to clear off any thought before you activate your third eye, you go through yoga meditation, you need to clear off any thought in your mind, let it go off. And also you have to reduce stress. The yoga meditation is going to help you to reduce stress and also to make your mind relax. When your mind gets relaxed, you can think fast and also able to imagine things very fast. These are most of the benefit of the yoga meditation to help our third eye to open. Before you do the yoga meditation, you need to sit on a mat. Sitting on a mat will help you in a way that you find the exactly place that you are sitting. It will be very comfortable for you so that you will never balance or shake. Because through the yoga meditation, you have to sit down quietly without even moving your finger or even moving your eyelid. So you need to sit at a place where the place is very comfortable below the ground. So the best thing is to sit on a mat so that you can handle the ground well. So another point is that we have another way of yoga meditation. That one too, you will lie down. You just lie down. But we are not talking about that one. Maybe I'll talk about that one later on. So you have to lie down. So another point is you sit down. As you see in the video, the guy is sitting down quietly like this. You sit on a mat quietly like this. If you have incense, you light the incense. The incense is going to help you in the way that it will clear the atmosphere, so that in a way that another way is that so that no negative energy will distract you. So the incense will clear the atmosphere for that, so that what you are doing you become very simple for you. So as you can see the guy doing the meditation, this video is just for educational purpose. So if you find any mistake in this video, please just forget about it. We are just trying to demonstrate something for you guys to understand. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please, I want to subscribe to this channel. We have a lot to deliver for you. So let's move on. So after setting your incense, you have to sit down very quietly. You have a candle to just what do you call it? Just light the candle. Sit down very quietly. Then you have to play your mantra. When we say mantra, mantra is a sound. It doesn't have any actual meaning, but it's just a sound that will help you to focus on what you are doing. Focus on your mind, on something. Or if you have a soft sound, you have to play it. So this is the mantra. This is how the mantra sounds.
Shrink, shrink,
So you'll be playing your mantra just like this. If you don't have the mantra
Shrink.
to, there's another soft sound.
Shrink.
So let me play that one too for you to hear. So this one is the, what do you call it? The soft music or the soft sound. So as this sound is playing slowly, just focus your mind. Focus your mind on the music that is playing. Other than that, the things around you will distract you. So focus on your mind on that sound quietly, just like that. Be focusing your mind on it. So be listening to this sound slowly, just like this. And this sound is going to help you secure any noise around you. It will kill any noise around you so that you be well focused on what you are doing. So as you are listening to this sound, what is the next point? The next point is to center your breath. When I say center your breath, level your breath, because you are going to breathe in and out. So set you have to center your breath in a stable way for 1 minute. So the next point is inhale deeply through your nose for just a second, for just 4 seconds. So you inhale into your nostrils deeply, you inhale again, you inhale again, you inhale again. So you'll be doing this for 4 seconds. Then you stop. Stop. You have to stop for 2 seconds. Then be breathing that just like normal as you are breathing. Then the next point is you begin to exhale slowly through your mouth for 6 seconds. So continue be doing this continuously. Exhale through your nostrils or through your mouth slowly, just like that. Keep doing it just like that. This practice is for those who want to activate their chakra and their inner spirit so that they can have the third eye. So this is the first begin or the first step that you need to pass through before you go to the next step. So this is the first step that you need to pass through. So keep breathing slowly just like that. And this thing that you are doing is going to help to release any stress in your soul or in your body. So keep doing it just like that. Keep doing it just like that. Yeah, so be feeling comfortable for wherever you are. As you are sitting down now, because before you sit down, make sure you feel comfortable. Your hands are well relaxed. Do not shake or do not move your hands if something touches you. Okay, so make sure your eye is well closed and your shoulders are well relaxed and your hands are well relaxed in holding your jaw. Yeah, so what you need to do next is to scan your body from your head to toe. When I say scan your body from your head to toe, what I'm trying to mean is that imagine through your inner spirit, imagine it from your head. Keep imagining it from your head. Fill your system. You are scanning your body. It's like you are trying to fill your system. You are trying to feel your inner spirit from your head. How you feel in your head up to your toe. You begin imagine how you feel it in your mind. Imagining it how you feel in your head, in your chest, on your tummy, down to your toe. This is how to scan your body. Yeah. Then you release any tension you feel. Whilst this mantra or the sound is playing, keep focusing on the sound. Continue focusing on the sound. Continue focusing on the sound. As the sound is playing, this sound will also clear any thoughts from your brain. It will clear any kind of stress also from your brain and help you, to help your mind or your brain to relax. So as the sound is playing just like it, continue to keep calm. Continue to keep calm. Then you say this word in your mind. You have to repeat in your mind that I am calm. I am calm. Repeat this word in your mind. I am calm. This word that you are saying, your inner spirit will connect to it. And also, your body too is very calm. So continue saying this word. Then you say, I am connected to divine light. I am connected to divine light. My spirit is awakened. Please, this word that you are saying, you are just saying it in your mind as the sound is playing slowly. So as you are saying this, continue saying this. Then begin to imagine a white or violet light entering your forehead. As your eyes are well closed like this and you are well focused on what you are doing and your mind is set on the mantra or the soft sound, you begin to imagine or you begin to see something like a violet light or a white light entering your forehead. You see, you feel like it's entering your forehead into your pineal gland. Okay, so feel it spreading peace and energy to your body. So allow yourself, as you begin to see that kind of light, that violet light, allow yourself to overwhelm overwhelm your body. Allow yourself to overwhelm your body just like that. Whilst you are sitting down quietly just like that and the sound is playing. Continue sitting down quietly just like this. As you can see in the video, do not move, do not make any noise or do not shake your hands, so that your inner spirit will get a chance to center the chakra or to fill up with the chakra. Okay, so this thing that you are doing is going to help you please, if you don't understand something, please let me know in the comment section. If you don't understand, and if you have ever tried this yoga meditation and something has happened or you are into it, share your experience with me. Are you watching from India? Are you watching me from USA? Are you watching me from Ghana? Let me know wherever you are watching from. And if you like yoga meditation too, let me know in the comment section. Have you ever tried some before? Let me know in the comment section. So after this, you place your palms together on your chest. Then you say thank you to the universe. Then you open your eyes slowly. When you open your eyes slowly, then you are done. You are done for the day. This one is for the day. You have to repeat this. There's a number of days that you need to have to repeat this. You have to repeat this process for a period of time to a certain stage, and this is going to help you to activate your chakra or your inner spirit. If you have any question, you don't understand something, please let me know. I love you so much. Keep watching my videos.